Alright folks, as promised, trial run of trying to shred pork in a mixer. There's the pork. There's the mixer.
You're well connected to adventurers, creators.
Okay. Alright, be right back. Here's the first couple of pieces. Yeah.
We're back from the drop zone, playing his fourth is Kevin Stack.
The machine works better when you lock it. That's working pretty well. So what we've got. Yeehaw again. Not half bad at all. Maybe just a little more shredding.
That was right in line with the Glenn too. Let's go to 18T.
All the years we've come here, how many people have you seen driving in that reception? I was just going to say, great.
Sorry for making people dizzy. And it's only on the lowest setting. So no need to go flinging pork all over your kitchen. Alright, just doing the second half now. Got the first half in a pan with some of the barbecue sauce. And then once this is full, it just goes on the stovetop and it just hangs out till game time. Alright, third is all shredded. Just a little bit of barbecue sauce in a part of a half-gallon bottle kind of way. Sorry for my wrist being in the way.
Waste management can help you avoid the traps and hazards that stand between you and your ultimate goal. And staying there.
Stir that all up.
To learn more,
Yeah, you get the idea. But it works. Try it sometime.